to charge it. Really simple to install. Nice. So here we're looking at the power indicator. You got your microphone here. It's two-way communication. You got your micro SD. You can store up to 32 gigabyte. The bottom here you got your 360. That's where you put your antenna, SIM card. Hello and welcome to another review here, guys. In today's review, I'm going to review the Eufy Security 4G LTE Cam S330, model number S330. It's 4K and cellular solar security camera, wireless outdoor. Has the ability to pan, tilt, and it's Wi-Fi dual, or you can use it as 4G. In my case, I'm going to use this as 4G cellular because where I'm going to install is actually out in the country, out of nowhere, so we don't have Wi-Fi out there, so it'd be perfect for what I'm going to use. So let's get started, guys. Let's open it and see what this product is all about. I heard good things about it, and yeah, subscription wise you can even use your own SIM card, or you can use their SIM card provided. Nice thing about this is it comes with a solar panel, so you don't have to charge it. Really simple to install. From what I read and review, all you have to do is just set it up, plug in the solar panel, and off you go. Off you can use it here. Knife. If you're not familiar, Eufy is Anchor brand. It's made in China, of course. They're well known. They're sold in Sam's Club, Walmart, and they're probably the upper brand compared to other brands that you can find like on Amazon or Sam's Club. But this is they're a little bit more premium, on the more expensive side. Of course, you're gonna pay for what you get. If you buy the cheaper one, there are cheaper version of these 4G. They're like $50, but this one's running about almost $200. But look at this solar panel. Nice. You see that? I got protection on there. Okay. Open, get the camera itself out. Look at this, heavy. Really nicely wrapped. Okay, let's see, here we go, right here. You can see here, you can hook up your antenna there, your sync, your power, your nano, your SIM card. I went ahead and ordered a SIM card from Tello. 2 gig of data per month for $10. So I'm going to use that, and I use it through Tello. Put the SIM card in there. Now, another thing, guys, is this has AI built into it, so that's nice about it. And it has a 9400 M4H battery, so you're never going to have to plug it in. As long as you have a couple, 2 to 3 hours of good sunlight, this will work just fine. As for Wi-Fi, if you want to hook it up with Wi-Fi, you can do that. So you don't have to set up through a SIM card. And if it goes to IT Club, they automatically switch to the strongest network, 4G LTE network. You can use Verizon network, you can use T-Mobile, or even AT&T. So what you have, so pretty much you have all 3 options you can use. Here you have the IT Club, like I mentioned earlier, and it has the SIM card in here. And you have 300 MB of free trial first. And again, you don't have to use this. It uses any other type of SIM card. Again, I'm going to Tello. That's a little bit cheaper, and their network is T-Mobile. I believe. And here you have nice little stickers so you can show that you have security. And camera brackets. Here's just the bracket for, let me move this box here for you guys. This is the bracket for the solar panel. This is the bracket that goes in the back of the camera. And this just pretty much just snaps on like this. And you are supposed to install it. Here it has a sticker where you, in certain direction you have to install it. And see that you can't install it sideways or up. You gotta let it pretty much just hang this way here. Okay, you just put this clip on, it snaps on like that. You press the button, it comes right off. Okay, now cool thing about this came with a strap here just so you can tie it wherever you need to so it won't fall. Came with screws and USB. Okay. Let's go to the technical specs on this here, guys. Now this, again, this has, it can read license plate up to 30 feet, has 4K, okay, 4K capability, and it can identify a license plate up to 30 feet, 10 meters away. It also has a light built in surrounding it, so it has 100 lumen spotlight to continue seeing up to 26 feet, 8 feet with the light. Okay. 360-degree view, AI tracking, all around evening viewing with pan and tilt. So you can ask it on your phone, you download the app, and then you can check and rotate, pan, zoom, all that cool stuff on the camera. Something that I need for what I'm using it for. Cool thing about this is you have no Wi-Fi. If you're using it as Wi-Fi, you have no Wi-Fi, no power, no problem. The Eufy camera will automatically go to 4G LTE cam if you have it set up. If not, then you're not going to have the ability to see it through your app. And again, it's very reliable. You have 4G, it's 4G. Again, you can use it for AT&T, T-Mobile, Verizon network. So that's pretty much all coverage around the country. So again, this is for people that don't have access to Wi-Fi, I recommend. And it works with and this works with It Club. It automatically switched to the strongest network. So that's a cool thing about it. You have a weak signal, it automatically switched from using AT&T, T-Mobile, Verizon, and of course all those SIM cards, all those companies you can use the SIM card. Are data only plans though. You gotta remember, only data plan. It's got two-way audio. Cool thing about it can, if you have somebody you wanted to communicate with out there, it can talk back. It has a built-in microphone, so it's two-way. Communicate in real time with anyone you want to view. Light and sound alarm. That's a nice feature. As I come close, you can set it up where it sounds alarm and the lights come up. It's built for harsh environment. So here we're looking at the power indicator, LED power indicator, and you got your microphone here. It's two-way communication, so you can talk to somebody and you can hear somebody. And down here you have your micro SD. You can store up to 32 gigabyte of video. Okay? And it did come with an SD card here, micro SD card, 32 gigabyte. The bottom here you got your 360 100 lumen LED light, and you got your lens built in there. Of course, this is all movable. It's 360 pan, tilt. Okay? And let's go in the back here. It's where you input your antenna. Antenna in here. Okay, bear with me, guys. My nail's kind of short here. Oh, there you go. Okay, and then you got your SIM card. And then this is where you input and charge the unit, your solar panel input, and where you charge it. Okay. It did come with a cable for charging, and I recommend charging it before you use it to full, because the solar panel will charge it. It will make it last long because it's full charge. And then you got where you input your bracket, you can see, and you get instruction on how to assemble in certain ways. You can only install this way. You can't. It doesn't recommend you start sideways or up. Okay, probably because of the weight, the electrical component in there. Now, it has the ability to withstand -4 degrees Fahrenheit up to 122 Fahrenheit. So from what I read, is when it gets too cold, sometimes it doesn't work because due to the battery, and when it warms back up, of course it works. Now you can buy accessories where you can protect the unit, maybe make it withstand the weather condition more. For example, there's a hood that will protect from snow and rain, and then it has the ability to install your solar panel on it. Makes it a little bit more easier, and instead of having the solar panel like 3 feet away or top or bottom, you have all in one spot. So here I'm going to show you how to use the app here. It's really simple, easy to use here. And then once you click on that, it's going and it's live. You can see that it gives you all kind of notification. Very fast, responsive. You can even click the sound, hear the sound off. And you see that's it. It's very fast. No time lapse here. Let's see here. You can pan, click on it, left, right, see that? Of course I have this backward here. And you move up, down, okay. You can turn light, you see that? Nice. Okay, and then let's see, you can go to settings. And here in settings you can set night vision, power manager. So here I'm going to show you how to use the app here. It's really simple, easy to use here. And then once you click on that, it's going and it's live. You can see that it gives you all kind of notification. Very fast, responsive. You can even click the sound, hear the sound off. And you see that's it. It's very fast. No time lapse here. Let's see here. You can pan, click on it, left, right, see that? Of course I have this backward here. And you move up, down, okay. You can turn light, you see that? Nice. Okay, and then let's see, you can go to settings. And here in settings you can set night vision, power manager. So here you can see you can customize recording video length from 5 to 120 seconds. And here you can see clip length is pretty much every time it detects motion, it records 8 clip length and can go up to 120 seconds, 5 seconds the lowest. And the lower, of course, more efficient. You use less battery. I have it set at 8. And then the interval triggers, giving it like delay. Let's say it's set that at 10 seconds, so every time it sees some, it doesn't constantly record, give it a little time. Again, that's where you save a little battery. And then the cool thing about it here, solar dashboard, it actually have a breakdown of how much battery use, the energy, the solar charging energy. Very cool, very detailed. It shows you the data. Of course, I don't have the solar panel hooked up yet, but it gives you all the information here. That's a very nice feature. So you know when if you're putting the location of your solar panels where it's not getting enough sunlight, you need to move or not by looking at this data. Let's go back here. Optimal battery. Again, this is all, you can set all that here. You see how notification, you can set your notification, audio settings, audio recording if you want to record audio, microphone. I didn't put audio recording on. It's whenever time I detect motion, it record audio, because you're gonna get notification anyway in clips. So if you see anything that's interesting, you can always record it live, right? And then video setting, you can do timestamp and logo. So that's that's good to have for security reason, right? If you ever need to go back on your video streaming audio, you can do 4K, high, medium, low, automatic adjust the image quality according to network speed. I have it at high quality data because I'm gonna have a medium or low, or you can have it low. I was gonna set it at audio, so auto. I'm gonna see how much data I use. Right now I will set a cap data of 2 GB per month. So if I use more than that, then I will have to adjust the streaming quality. Record quality in the 1080p. You see 1080p, you can do 4K, of course, high resolution, more drain it will use on your drain of your battery, right? Then you see how it notifies you. You can see all the notification coming up. See anything I miss? Yeah, but it's very fast, guys. This thing I like about it, it's very responsive, very quick. And like you see right now, I don't have it plugged into anything. It's all Wi-Fi battery. It's running off a battery. So it's a very good camera, guys. And once you connect the solar panel on there, you don't have to worry about anything. Pretty much you can install it anywhere you need to. So I highly recommend the camera, guys. And this is for people who can't have access to Wi-Fi or electrical all the way in the country, or you have farmland, or in my case, I have storage units where I'm gonna install because it's out of nowhere. So it's perfect for those type of people who needs security for protection. So I highly recommend it, guys. I know it's a little bit pricey, but for the quality and feel of it, and the security, the AI built into the 360 pan, and you're getting real-time data, information, security, footage. I highly recommend it, guys. Okay, so until next time, next review, take care. Bye now.